everyone, welcome back to our platform. So now I am going to show you how to place an order and how to analyze market in this video. So as you can see here is a commodity gold. So now I'm going to tell you why we place an order on gold. So gold offers high liquidity and excellent opportunities to profit in nearly all environments due to its unique position within the world's economic and potential system. Alright, speculating through the futures, equity and options market offer incredible leverage. So here we will trade on that platform. So now click on this option. As you can see, here are some rules. You can read these rules. So now you can see here is a market. Here you analyze the price. You have to analyze the closing price, if analyzes the open price or high price and low price. All these prices on this platform can be analyzed through something known as chart. This is a trading chart by which you can make strategies that when you should place an order, buy or sell. So now as you can see, the market is going down. The red one is sale, that means the market is going down, and the blue one is buy, the market is going up. So now I am going to sell the product. So as you can see, here is the option of sell. So click on this option. Now you can see there are many options then that you can settle the time also according to you. Then it's totally up to you then when you want to close the time or close the place order. So you can set the time according to you. Now I am going to select 60 seconds. As you can see here, I already selected the time, and now I am going to invest 100 rupees. So from here we can confirm the order, and there are also a expected profit shown in this platform, which is 180 rupees. So after the market close, then maybe sometimes the market will go up, the market will go down. So it's totally depend on the market. Now I am going to confirm the order. As you can see, it takes only 60 seconds to close the market. So here you can see your position, then you can earn profit or you can earn loss. In 60 seconds you will know that how can we trade, how can we place an order, and how can we buy or sell the product. It is very easy to know that how to do trading on the UFSX platform, and it is very easy to trading on UFSX platform. So as you can see, here is profit, and so the market is as per my opinion, the market is down. So I was sell the product, and you can see here is the profit of the market. So as like this you can make your own strategies on USFX platform. So now let's go back to the home page. So click on the user option. So as you can see, here is my account balance. So as you can see, here is 85 rupees profit in my account. So as you can see that I have earned 85 rupees in just 1 minute. So you can do also trading by yourself, and also make strategies by yourself, and please keep doing trading on this platform and earn profit in this platform. And thank you for watching my video.